Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm V. So guys, I'm recording this from England, as you have seen, or if you haven't and you're new to my channel, I'm Kenyan. I'm living in England currently. So guys, today I'm going to show you my apartment, how it looks like. It's like an apartment tour. So this one is in Kent, south of England. Is it so? Yeah, south of England. New Romney. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So let's start with the living room. This right here is the entrance. This is the entrance. They have like these big windows, and that's the door in between there. That's the door between there, and those are windows right there. So you just pull all of it like that to get a really nice view, to get like not view per se, but to get the whole bright living room. It looks really nice. I don't need lights on. So this is how it looks. This is the entrance. So once you enter, it's the living room right here, and here is the dining table. 4 seats dining table. There's a TV right there on the corner, a couch here, another one there, and we have the kitchen. So the kitchen is right here, and in the kitchen we have these storage spaces. Those have cereal mugs. They have these plates here, plates there. I've also put some little shopping here, some things for breakfast. On this side we have glasses and cups. We have a toaster here, and those my little things there. Here is the cooker. Haven't used this one yet. So the sink is right here with hot water and cold. Cutlery is over here, and more cutlery is here, more stuffs here, more stuffs here. This one is empty. So the storage here, this is what is inside. This is just lots of storage. Fridge here. We have the bin here, and from the living room, I'm going to take you straight to where? Which room should we go to next? Looks really nice, really big. This here is the kids room or guest room. If you have no kids like me, this is the guest room. This is how it is. 2 simple beds, really nice, and you can let that for the, but because we are underground, we don't want neighbors to be looking at us. This is how it is, just simple. And here is for the storage, hanging for clothes, more storage up here. Now from that living room we come here. This is the bathroom. Let me see if it's dirty before I take you in here. It's okay. This is the bathroom, guys. Let's do the writing. Yeah, this is how it is. And right from the bathroom, let me switch off the lights. From the bathroom we go to bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This right here is the master bedroom, guys. Oh, that's my laptop. This is where I work from. You can open that for like brighter views. storage. It's this is how it is. It's not as big, but it's quite comfortable. I like it. So yeah, that's what we have, guys, in England. Looks really nice. I like it. I really like it, especially for these windows here that are bringing in all the lighting inside, that I don't have to switch on the lights, but still I can switch on the lights so that you guys see how they turn. Let's do this and switch on the lights. Smoking neighbor. So with the lights, that's how they are. These are the lights here. Yeah. So this is the apartment, guys. I like how it is. It's simple, it's cute. It's just my vibe for now. For now, it is my vibe for now. Haven't seen others. Maybe I can see others really cute ones. I'll be like, ooh. But for now, I like this one the way it is. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Meanwhile, let's get something to eat. Let's get something to eat or drink. And guys, that is my life here. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know the kind of videos you want to see. If I'll have time, I'll show you around. If not, I'm gonna take you to London. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video.